Tucker time, the bloody handprint experiment. All you need is baking soda, a little bit of warm water, a container big enough to fit your hand, a natural pH indicator like turmeric, hand sanitizer, a jar for mixing, paper, and a paintbrush. Take your baking soda and sprinkle it on the bottom of your tray.
Okay.
That's a lot of baking soda.
It's okay. It doesn't really matter.
Now take your water and mix it with the baking soda. Don't make it too thick. You just want it to be able to coat your hand. Now you need your paper. Take your baking soda mixture and put your hand in it. Move your hand around, kind of get it coated on the bottom. Now pick it up and slap it. Now let's let that dry. Now, if you want, take your paintbrush and paint something. When this dries, the water will have evaporated, leaving only baking soda crystals. Now you're ready for your pH indicator. Now take your hand sanitizer and mix it in. Turmeric is a spice mostly used in cooking. It's an herb part of the ginger family, but it is useful in science too. Turmeric is a natural pH indicator. When it's in contact with something alkaline, it turns red, and baking soda is alkaline, which makes it perfect for this experiment. And it stinks horribly, the worst smells in the world. Now take your dried baking soda paper and paint. Get ready for the magic in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, wow. That's a really good one. Oh, wow. The turmeric changes from a bright yellow to a vivid red. That's because the baking soda crystals are alkaline. I hope you liked my video on the bloody handprint experiment. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Don't go just yet. Stick around for the laughs.
Your hand, turn it backwards.
A container big enough to fit your hand.
It smells bad?
Yeah, smell it.
It's the hand sanitizer. Ugh. Don't breathe that in. It's rubbing alcohol. Do your hand. Look at me. Stop. First, take your hand out for a second.
Baking soda everywhere. Make new discoveries and learn every day.